Hello my healthy people, welcome back to Maxine's Corner. Happy New Year guys. I have some wonderful recipes for you guys today. So the first thing that we're going to be doing is some apple sandwiches, but not just any apple sandwiches. You're going to see how we're going to spice up this apple to make it absolutely delicious and yummy. Before we get started guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free. And hit the bell so you can get what? Your notifications. So here I have some coconut flakes. And this is unsweetened coconut flakes. If you want to use sweetened, that's up to you. But we also have the maple syrup here. So you really don't need the sweetened coconut flakes. We have some peanut butter. You can use peanut butter or almond butter. If you're allergic to peanut or almonds or anything like that, any kind of nuts, then you can use sunflower butter. Okay? So that's just good as well, sunflower seed butter. But here I have peanut butter and I have 2 apples. I already cored them as you may see. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to do this. So you want to cut your apples just like that. Okay. Oh, you don't want to cut that one out like that. So just like this. Okay. So I'm going to cut the rest of these and then I'll be right back. Okay, my healthy people, so I cut up all the apples and we are good. So I'm going to show you how to assemble these. So simple and so easy. And what I am going to do is get my peanut butter. Let me just show you how to do this. So simple. You're pretty much making a sandwich, right? So you're going to get your peanut butter and you're just going to spread it all over just like that. Chia seeds. With my peanut butter, I add chia seeds. So if you see it, you can see that I add the chia seeds to my peanut butter. Once I open the peanut butter container, I just throw a tablespoon of chia seeds inside. All right. So this is what yours should look like. You're going to get your coconut flakes and you're going to sprinkle some on top. These sandwiches. Now you can add chocolate chips. You can do whatever you want, all right? And then I have just my maple syrup and you just sprinkle it all around just like this. That's what it looks like. And you put it on top like that, just like that. And if you really want to, you can just roll it in the coconut flakes just like this. Here you have a nice delicious apple sandwich. Just look at that. Looks so good. It's so simple. It's so easy to make. Your entire family will love it. I'm gonna make the rest of these and then I'll be right back. I also have one more snack for you guys. Okay, so I'm making some protein balls for you guys. So let's go ahead. You can grab these. Oh, so simple, so easy. Let's start off with 1 cup of oat flour, flax meal, cacao powder, pure cocoa powder, pinch of sea salt, mix that all together, pinch of cinnamon. Okay, now you can add any nut butter of your choosing. It's pretty much up to you. Maple syrup. Now I'm just gonna get in there with my clean hands and work with this, just so we can move it along a little faster. So here we are and everything is pretty good, well combined. So I'm just going to take some pieces of this just like that and I'm going to roll them into a ball, as you may see, and you roll it into a ball. This is what they look like. If you love what you see, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. It is what? Absolutely free. Look at that. Simple and easy. Here we have it guys. Our 2 delicious snacks. Simple and easy. Keep you satiated. You will absolutely love them. We have our apple peanut butter with our coconut flakes, a little maple syrup. It's up to you. You cannot add the maple syrup. Don't worry about it. If you want to, you can add it, okay? And here we have our energy bites. Absolutely delicious. Perfect for a snack before, after the gym. It's pretty much up to you. These two snacks will keep you satiated. They're packed full of fiber, protein, and you will love them. If you love this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. It is absolutely what? Free. Smash the like button and leave a comment below if there's something you'd like for me to make for you. Oh, and they're gluten-free. Gluten-free. Yes, love it. Absolutely love it. I'll see you guys next time in another video, and say with me, stay healthy.